my dear friends. How are you all? Today we are going to speak about the aspects of Jupiter. Now, wherever you will see J1, JU1, it means the Jupiter is sitting in that place or that sign. Wherever you will say JU5, it is the fifth aspect of Jupiter. Wherever you will see JU7, it is the seventh aspect of Jupiter. Wherever you will see JU9, it is the ninth aspect of Jupiter. So, let us start from house number 1. First, we will be doing it by the houses. Then, we will be doing it by the signs. It is very essential for the people who are learning astrology. Dear friends, what you will see over here is Jupiter is sitting in the first house. It is aspecting the fifth house, the seventh house, and the ninth house. Now, if we see sign wise, it is sitting in the sign of Aries, aspecting the sign of Leo, Libra, and Sagittarius. Now, Jupiter is in the second house. It is aspecting the sixth house, eighth house, and the 10th house. Sign wise, it is sitting in Taurus, aspecting Virgo, Scorpio, and Capricorn. Now, what we see is Jupiter is in the third house, aspecting the seventh house, ninth house, and 11th house. Likewise, it is in Gemini, aspecting Libra, Sagittarius, and Aquarius. Now, it is in the fourth house, aspecting the 8th house, 10th house, and 12th house. Sign wise, it is in Cancer, aspecting Scorpio, Capricorn, and Pisces. Now, Jupiter is in the fifth house, aspecting the 9th house, 11th house, and the first house. Sign wise, it is in Leo, aspecting Sagittarius, Aquarius, and Aries. Now, it is in the sixth house, aspecting the 10th house, 12th house, and the second house. Sign wise, it is in Virgo, aspecting Capricorn, Pisces, and Taurus. Now, Jupiter is in the seventh house, aspecting the 11th house, first house, and third house. Sign wise, it is in Libra, aspecting Aquarius, Aries, and Gemini. Now, what we see is Jupiter is in the 8th house, aspecting the 12th house, second house, and the 4th house. Jupiter is in the sign of Scorpio. It is aspecting Pisces, Taurus, and Cancer. Jupiter in the 9th house is aspecting the first house, third house, and the 5th house. Sign wise, it is in Sagittarius, aspecting Aries, Gemini, and Leo. Now, dear friends, Jupiter is in the 10th house, aspecting the second house, fourth house, and sixth house. Likewise, it is in the sign of Capricorn, aspecting Taurus, Cancer, and Virgo. Now, dear friends, Jupiter is in the 11th house, aspecting the third house, fifth house, seventh house. Sign wise, it is in Aquarius, aspecting Gemini, Leo, and Libra. Now, dear friends, it is in the 12th house, aspecting the 4th house, 6th house, and 8th house. Sign wise, it is in Pisces, aspecting Cancer, Virgo, and Scorpio. Dear friends, if you listen to this video 4 to 5 times, I am sure you will be very clear with the aspects. The aspects of planets is very essential in the study of astrology. If you become thorough with this subject, this will help you not only one time, 100 times in astrology. So, dear friends, I will recommend you to watch this video at least once in a day to remember the aspects. I am very much thankful to you all being a part of my life. Thank you very much for everything. Thank you very much for the love that you have given me. Thank you very much for the trust and the time. Again, hopefully seeing you in another video. Thank you.